Building wealth doesn't have to mean working tirelessly or sacrificing all your free time. Passive income is a game-changing way to grow your financial stability while giving you the freedom to pursue other goals. Here are 5 proven strategies to build wealth through passive income. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular payouts from companies that share their profits with shareholders. Look for reputable companies with a strong history of consistent dividend payments. To maximize your earnings, reinvest the dividends to take advantage of compounding growth. Over time, a well-diversified dividend portfolio can provide a stable income stream with minimal effort. For beginners, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, focused on dividend stocks are an excellent entry point. These funds reduce risk by spreading investments across multiple companies. With regular contributions and reinvestment, your portfolio can become a reliable source of passive income. 2. Rental properties. Real estate remains one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. Owning rental properties can provide consistent monthly cash flow while your property appreciates over time. Start with a single-family home or a small multi-unit property to minimize risks. Don't have the time or energy to manage tenants? Consider hiring a property manager or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are publicly traded companies that own income-generating properties, allowing you to earn from real estate without directly owning or managing properties. 3. Create and sell digital products. In today's digital world, creating and selling online products is a scalable and low-cost way to generate passive income. You can produce ebooks, courses, stock photos, or templates that can be sold repeatedly without much additional effort. Once created, these products can be listed on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Etsy, which handle the sales process for you. Digital products require upfront work but can bring in steady income for years with proper marketing and occasional updates. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. You act as the lender, and the platform matches your funds with borrowers. The returns are often higher than traditional savings accounts, though some risks exist. To minimize risk, spread your investment across multiple loans. Over time, the interest payments can compound into a reliable source of passive income, especially when reinvested. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income by recommending products or services. You earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral link. This strategy works well for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers. By creating content that provides value to your audience, you can build trust and drive traffic to affiliate products. Over time, as your audience grows, so will your passive income. Many programs, such as Amazon Associates or ShareASale, make it easy to get started. Building passive income streams takes effort up front, but the long-term rewards are worth it. Choose one idea to start with, and dedicate time and resources to making it successful. Whether you're investing in the stock market, diving into real estate, or creating digital products, passive income can help you achieve financial independence and build wealth over time. The key is consistency and patience. By diversifying your income sources and reinvesting earnings, you'll set yourself on the path to financial freedom.